Hi everyone, my name's Megan and I am the creator behind Juniper Red Clay. I'm making cactus earrings today. As my base to start, I roll out a piece of white clay to approximately 1/4 inch deep. Then I use gold and pink that I rolled out on my thinnest setting on my pasta machine. By rolling the colored clay super thin, I'm able to tear it at various shapes and sizes, and I can spread out the colors at random across my white slab. Just wing it, y'all. That's what I do. The exact colors that I'm using today I will link down below. You could also skip this step entirely if you just prefer a solid color base. I'm going for streaks of pink and gold throughout the white clay. After assembling all my colors, I'm going to fold my white slab in half. I make sure that the colors are on the outside of my folded slab. Then I place it through my pasta machine, making sure that the folded end goes in first. You're going to reduce your chance of air bubbles. You absolutely do not need a pasta machine. I just have it on hand and it makes my life a little easier. You can also use an acrylic roller to achieve the same look. To create our design, I'm going to use the same gold that we used in the beginning, a marbled green combination from a previous project, small red seed beads, bacon bond, a textured mat, and assorted cutters. Line my desired earring shape first, and then I texture my cactus pieces with my mat. Here you'll see I'm creating more of a draped background for our cactus with the thin gold clay. Please like this video and subscribe for future tutorials and tips. I have 2 size teardrop cutters to create our cactus pads. I found these at my local craft store, but they can also be found online. I used the bigger teardrop to create our main cactus body, and the smaller pieces create the additional pads. To attach our beads before baking, I applied Bacon Bond to secure the beads in place. I find using a needle makes grabbing these beads far less frustrating than doing it by hand. Also, do as I say and not as I do. Put the lid back on your beads. You'll think you won't knock them over and spill them, but you will. I spilled these tiny suckers twice. Learn from my mistakes. With our original cutter, I then reveal our earrings. I am using the textured green for our earring studs. Now, off to the oven. Your clay package will indicate how long to bake your clay and at what temperature. I use a variety of gold jump rings to assemble our 2 tiers. And there you go. Prickly pear cactus fun. If you create your own using this tutorial, I would love to see. Tag juniper.rayclay on Instagram. Happy creating! Bye y'all.